What is up, everybody out there in YouTube? I am back with another Forza Horizon 5 barn find. This one is in the area of the map known as Gran Pantano. If you do not know, Pantano means bog or swamp. So this area is literally known as the Big Swamp. You'll see a white road and then several dirt roads. If you go right to where the white road and this dirt road right here meet, basically just split the difference between, if you look right here, just split the difference between the dirt road and the paved road. Go straight in the Miata. You can see it back there. You always want to pick the most appropriate vehicle when you're driving through the middle of the field of Mexico, and a Miata is always the answer.
Let me guess. Found it.
Ooh.
No wonder those American collectors wanted this. It's a Viper. The ACR, I think. Aye. 8-litre V10. And almost impossible to keep the power on the road. But if you can... Here, give me a hand. I'll give you a call when it's done. Speak soon.
In case you didn't know, ACR is short for American Club Racer. They also made a neon ACR. So that's this Viper, which makes me feel really old that Vipers are now a barn find. Ugh, remember when Vipers came out. But stay tuned for the next Horizon barn find. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like button, share these, whatever you want to do. Everything you do helps the channel grow, helps us get more opportunities to make these videos and other awesome videos. Thanks, everybody.